morning, guys. It's 18. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything fuck fresh, anything new, anything exciting? Well, wait now, you guys. I'm so sore on the neck, left side of my neck, but that's okay, you guys. It's alright. I feel a lot much better. Lots of energy. I just sore right here. I don't know why, but I just do. But that's okay, you guys. So on the neck, I can put some more blue stuff on tonight. I might get something in town tonight when I'm in town. Anyhow, because I might get like a neck. I don't know what they're technically called. I don't know what they are technically called because I need one of them so I can actually lay like that and put in the microwave and lay like that so it's nice and warm on that. Maybe that would help. I do not know, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna make a video today, you guys, because I'm feeling a lot much better, and hopefully I will be doing good. So I'll talk to you guys when we get everything set up for the video.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel.
It's GoDogs for one.
But before we do that, you guys, we are going to do some shaving. Yeah, we are going to do some shaving. Ow, just on my toe. That hurts a lot. But I'm going to do some shaving, so that's what I'm doing. So talk to you guys when I do some shaving. Hey guys, I just got done shaving and I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek really slowly. Guess what that is? Yes, you guys have to guess what it is. So right now, you guys, I'm just setting up my camera on the tripod. That's what I'm doing. So that's pretty cool and exciting, making sure every angle is done. I still have to do some stuff with you guys a little bit. Make sure this is set up right. Oh shoot, I forgot the memory card. Okay guys, I have it set up right there. So I'm going to talk to you guys when I am done. See? Look, you guys can see yourself. Oh, you guys can see yourself. Huh? Yeah, so that's pretty cool and exciting, you guys. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just exhausted, tired for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm tired. But I'm going to my niece's. I'm trying to get exercise, a little bit of exercise, so I can move around. My shoulder's still in pain, still a little bit. It's hard to keep my neck a little bit, but it's a little bit better. So hopefully we can find this stuff that we can do that, you guys. Hopefully, try to do some stuff, so that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to my niece's swimming lesson, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys then. Hey guys, I just got home and I just got my clothes, you guys, and I'm gonna actually finish what I was doing. Earlier this afternoon, I was cleaning my garbage can out and actually scrubbing it, make sure it smells nice and clean. So I got some stuff at the dollar store, which is awesome, which I love you getting. So I got some pretty cool stuff at the dollar store, which is awesome. Some new rags when I do cleaning. So hopefully we can wash that sometime and do some cleaning and make sure everything is good. And some Febreze, no name Febreze. So that's what we're doing. So we got some stuff. But so whenever we do decide to clean it, but right now I'm going to clean the garbage can out because that looks really dirty. Look at that, you guys, it looks so dirty. But I'm just going to give it a nice clean scrub. So that's what I'm doing. So I took you guys and I get a nice clean scrub. Look how disgusting that water is, you guys. Looks so gross, you guys. And that's been since I got the garbage can. That's so disgusting, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye!